our LED open sign. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 22 3/4 inches with a height of at least 11 3/4 inches. Open sign uses a standard 110 and 120 voltage connection. So after when it's hooked up, it has two functions. First function is the regular display, and the second, the flicker. Included will also be a control, which you can control on and off of the open sign. You'll see right now it's currently on display. With another press of the controller, the letters will flick. All this can be done with the press of the button on the controller and the back, two separate functions. For more information, visit our website. For all other questions, give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.